What's up, y'all? This is a quick video. So as you know, I run a 360 photo booth business here, based in DC in the Maryland area, and I just want to give you a piece of advice. Make sure on your free time to go over your 360 equipment and make sure it's actually maintenance. I saw something within my 360 booth that was kind of iffy. Like I saw a little shaking. It wasn't stable as far as the arm goes, not the base, the arm. So I saw that this part right here was loose. So in here, it's a hole, and everybody's 360 is different, but in here it was a hole. So I saw it. I took an Allen key, and I pretty much just went in there and tightened it up. I was trying to loosen it up before the video again so I could show y'all how loose it was, but I can't because I screwed it on so tight. So this is just something to preserve your 360 photo booth and keep longevity within it. So that's a quick piece of advice. Peace. I wish y'all much blessings and success on your photo booth journey. And yeah.